Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create double exposure in Photoshop. Bring your first image, adjust it how you want it. Now bring your second image, let's flip it horizontally, reduce opacity and adjust the image accordingly. Bring back the opacity back to 100. Right click and create clipping mask. Change the blending mode to screen. Create a mask. Make sure your foreground is black. Select your brush. Make sure it's a soft brush. Your flow 25, opacity 100. Paint on it. Bring back the blending mode to normal. Right click and create a solid layer. Now hit on Ctrl Shift Alt and E to duplicate the picture. Right click and convert to smart object. Now come to filter and choose camera raw filter. Go to the basis and adjust accordingly. And hit OK. Thanks for watching. If it's first time of watching tutorial here, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye bye.